Good morning, how are you? I'm fine, and how about you? What is your name? My name is Rahul, dear. Okay, next. Where do you live? I live in Lucknow. I live in Lucknow. Next. How old are you? How old are you? I am 15 years old. I am 15 years old. Which class do you study in? I study in class 10th. I study in class 10th. Next. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. Next. Do you like mathematics? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Have you done your homework? Yes, I have done. Yes, I have done. Can I borrow your pen? Yes, sure. Yes, sure. What are you doing now? I'm studying. I'm studying. Do you understand today's lesson? Yes, I understood it. Yes, I understood it. Can you help me? Oh, of course. Of course. Are you ready for the test? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Next. What time is it now? It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Shall we go to the library? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading books. Which game do you like? I like cricket. I like cricket. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Aman is my best friend. Are you hungry? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Next. Do you watch TV? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Which movie do you like? I like action movies. I like action movies. Can you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you come to school? Yes, I come by bus. Yes, I come by bus. Do you bring your notebook? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Why are you late today? Because of traffic. Because of traffic. Next. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I studied at home. I studied at home. Are you free now? Yes, I'm. Yes, I'm. Shall we play together? Yes, sure. Yes, sure. What do you want to become? I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. Do you like science? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Have you completed the project? Yes, I have completed it. Yes, I have completed it. What is your favorite color? Blue is my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. Are you tired? No, I am not. No, I am not. Can I sit here? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Do you have a mobile phone? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What are your future plans? I want to become an engineer. I want to become an engineer. Did you enjoy the class? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. Do you like reading stories? Yes, I like. Yeah, I do भी बोल सकते हैं. What will you do after school? I will go home and study. I will go home and study. Can you explain this question? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Is this answer correct? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Shall we revise together? Shall we revise together? That's good idea. That good idea. Next. Are you excited about the trip? Yes, very excited. Yes, very excited. Do you play outdoor games? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Which sport do you like most? I like cricket the most. Will you come tomorrow? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. How was your day? It was great. It was great. See you tomorrow. Yes, see you tomorrow. What are you looking for? Yes, I'm looking for my notebook. Where is your classroom? It is on the first floor. It is on the first floor. Did you bring your lunch? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. What did you bring for lunch? I brought sandwiches. I brought sandwiches. Can I taste it? Can I taste it? Yes, sure. Do you like school? Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much. Which teacher teaches English? Mr. Sharma teaches teach English. Did the teacher give homework? Yes, a lot of homework. Yes, a lot of homework. Have you completed it? No, not at. Not at. Thanks for watching, dear.